I did my yearly checkups with my local eye doctor, and he said that I had the start of cataracts. Talked with the doctors, and then he gave me different options that I could do. One of them was the LAL. The experience with the surgery, we were done in no time. I could even tell the difference in my vision after I had the lenses in. They adjusted more after the surgery. After each light treatment, I could notice the difference in my vision right away. 2 pairs of glasses that I had to wear. One was a light pair that I had to wear indoors all the time, and then the dark pair was to wear outside at all times. After everything was done and I didn't have to wear glasses anymore, it was really a change for me. Everything is so much brighter and clearer. It's a wonderful, wonderful investment, and you won't regret any of it.